Hello, and a warm holiday. My name is Gary Crisostomo, and these are my colleagues.
Heidi Bacani,
Janela Escara,
Mary Jane Pantalar,
Nonilon Santos.
And we are students at the University of Guam, presenting our case study findings on our island and region's financial leader, Bank of Guam.
First, we'll discuss Bank of Guam's financial performance for the years 2019 through 2023.
In the second half of this video, we will discuss Bank of Guam's specific bank niche, asset and liability management, regulatory risk, and the use of social media.
We hope you enjoy our presentation.
Bank of Guam's financial performance have fluctuated over the 5 years. Net income doubled from $16.1 million in 2019 to $31.4 million in 2023, despite a 23.23% dip during 2020 to 2022 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Maintaining a solid 21.12% average net profit margin, the bank adapted through strategic measures like bank closures and the acquisition of ASC Trust LLC, boosting income by $7.4 million. A $3.4 million gain from the merger underscored the bank's resilience in a dynamic market.
Bank of Guam has seen a rise in total assets up 31.17% for the 5 years. In 2021, the bank saw the highest increase in assets, up 18.02% the year prior, driven by an increase of 112.05% in interest-bearing deposits, as well as a 45.80% increase in U.S. Treasury and securities. In 2022, assets decreased by 8.28% but increased the following year by 0.52%, caused by a 12.90% increase in loans offset by a 16.53% decrease in investment securities. Total loans and leases comprise an average of 56.37% of assets, while investment securities make up 26.29%. Bank of Guam has maintained healthy liquidity, increasing by 38.66% for the 5-year period. Deposits peaked in 2021 due to a 112.32% increase in government deposits and 36.29% in individual deposits. Deposits decreased the subsequent years by 7.59% and 0.98% due to disbursements of CARES Act-related funds. Securities increased by 78.31% from 2019, peaking in 2022 by 92.13% from 2019, and decreasing in 2023 by 7.19%.
Bank of Guam and Peer Group 4 exhibited similar financial trends. Both experienced rising capitalization ratios. Bank of Guam's increased from 13.78 to 15.26%, and Peer Group 4 from 14.48% to 14.33%. Leverage ratios decreased for both Bank of Guam, where it dropped from 8.72 to 9.29%. On the other hand, Peer Group 4 dropped from 10.51 to 10.23. This suggests that Bank of Guam's financial position was comparable to that of its peers in Peer Group 4.
Bank of Guam's specialty consists of various diversified commercial lending and government transactions. In addition, the bank acts in large part as a cash recycler in the Micronesian region due to being one of the biggest banks in terms of deposits and loan portfolio in the area. Additionally, as a community bank, the Bank of Guam stays dedicated to community improvement, so it gives loans to small business owners.
Bank of Guam manages assets and liabilities through its Asset and Liability Committee, employing gap analysis and simulations for interest rate risk. Investments focus on U.S. agency bonds, reflecting a conservative approach. While not using the Federal Reserve's Bank Term Funding Program, the bank ensures liquidity as the U.S. Treasury depository for Guam and the Northern Mariana Islands.
Going over regulatory risk, the Bank of Guam has taken proactive measures to strengthen regulatory compliance and risk management following the bank closures. Initiatives including Basel III implementation and enhanced risk management demonstrate the bank's commitment to stability. With an increased focus on risk management and streamlined regulatory processes, the bank is prepared for upcoming FDIC examinations. This proactive approach underscores the Bank of Guam's dedication to regulatory adherence and financial resilience.
Bank of Guam embraces social media for daily interactions spanning Guam, CNMI, FSM, and California. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn foster community engagement and networking. During crises like COVID-19 and Typhoon Mawar, social media provides timely updates and clear communication. Leveraging a third-party tool ensures prompt response, showcasing Bank of Guam's commitment to the customer service and community trust.